Welcome to English Signal Channel.
Let's learn verbs for daily use.
To absorb. To absorb.
Meaning, to soak up in natural way. Example, the sponge absorbed water.
To hitchhike. To hitchhike.
Meaning, to stand by the road and signal to passing drivers, showing that you want a free ride to a place. Example, her car broke down, so she had to hitchhike back home.
To pierce. To pierce.
Meaning, to make a hole in or through something. Example, the needle pierced her skin. She pierced her ears.
To hurl. To hurl.
Meaning, to throw something with force in angry way. Example, he hurled a chair at me. Someone hurled a rock through the window.
To scorn. To scorn.
Meaning, to show that you think someone or something is not worthy of respect and approval. Example, you scorned all my suggestions. He scorns anyone who earns less money than he does.
To swagger. To swagger.
Meaning, to walk in a very confident way. Example, he swaggered into the shop like he owned the place.
To toddle. To toddle.
Meaning, to walk with short, unsteady steps. Example, the little boy toddled across the room.
To infect. To infect.
Meaning, to pass on a disease or infection. Example, if you are sick, you should stay home to avoid infecting other people in the office.
To blend. To blend.
Meaning, to mix thoroughly. Example, blend the fruit, yogurt and milk.
To attach. To attach.
Meaning, to fasten or join one thing to another. Example, she attached a note to the package. Attached with a paper clip.
To starve. To starve.
Meaning, to suffer or die from lack of food. Example, without food they would starve.
To upholster. To upholster.
Meaning, to cover a chair or other seat with cloth, and fill it with a soft substance. Example: the couch was upholstered with a bright, floral fabric.
To mutter. To mutter.
Meaning, to speak quietly, so that it is difficult for others to hear. Example: she angrily muttered something about her bad luck.
To smirk. To smirk.
Meaning, to smile in an unpleasant way. Example: what are you smirking at?
To next. To next.
Meaning, to refuse to accept or allow something, to say no to a suggestion. Example: we quickly nixed his idea.
To assist. To assist.
Meaning, to help someone. Example: he assisted the old man with walking.
To inculcate. To inculcate.
Meaning, to cause something to be learned by repeating it again and again. Example: the teacher inculcated in her students the importance of good study habits.
To twang. To twang.
Meaning, to make harsh, quick sound. Example: he was twanging the strings of the guitar.
Subscribe. And keep a study every day with English Signal.
Thanks for watching.